All right, back we go. It is Sunday, February 21st. Checking out some stocks. Let's check out PETZ. This is another former runner putting these high spikes and then they fade. 11 million plus float, 167 million market cap. Uh, Develops, manufactures, and sells pet food products for pet owners, People's Republic of China, Asia, Europe, North America. So, this is another one. Look at this go along. What line is this here? 50-cent line? Yeah, this did nothing forever. 50 cents. You could go back. Let me look at. Here's the one line. It looks like this two line was pretty big. This two line going all the way back here from like 2019. Look at this. See the like channel you're in? Here's the 50-cent line. So this has been in channel. Look at this 2019, 2020, going into 2021. Look at this back and forth. So some of these moves could take years before, a big explosion. That's why if you sit on some of these, like, I think it'll go up sometime, it could be years. So, this one from that 50 cents to $2 line came up and finally exploded after all these years with, what is this here? 31 million in volume, went all the way up to 14 plus, came back. Didn't even hold. See this? It winded up the day at like 491. Then we're fading back now. Volume dropped off. Is this going to touch three, like 250 ish? Maybe we'll get a little bounce up or maybe down to two. It's possible. Yeah, I don't think this is done. I don't think this is fading back below two. I think there'll be another spike. Once the stock spikes, I think there's possibly could be more at this point. You could probably put in a line right here to this June move. Finviz does this a lot. When you have these spikes like this and you bring it back to somewhere like the highest point, this looks like the pretty highest point and the closest point, June. You go all the way up. See that? You have a big wedge now. Big broadening wedge. So you could get a range from anywhere from two probably to like 9 plus again on this. So see what happens with that. HX, 16 million float, 43 million market cap. No news in this recently. Operates a social e-commerce platform in China. Another one in China. Yeah, this said the big range down, dropped down 750 all the way to $1. Bounced up with this big cross. 550 came back, then bounced up to 7 plus. Reverse split. And then came back to this 150 line. Now we bounced up to three. So this three line is the big line right now. See this? Look how many times we touched and came back. Touch, came back. And that's where we're at right now. We're going to break this three. And see the volume here? This volume, 106,000, 189,000. This does like no volume. It sort of picked up a little bit back here. So, we'll see if we can break this three. This three is a very important line. If we break this, you have 350, probably up to this four line plus, I would say. And the other thing you notice right here, you draw your line right here. This low's getting higher. See this? Bounce, bounce, and then, we take off from there. I think this could happen on HX. YCBD. YCBD. All right, 34 million float, 225 million market cap. Um, Insider zone, 16%. Institution zone, 16%. Leading CBD health and wellness company, pet product line, both win 2021 Product of the Year awards. It produces, distributes various cannabinoidal CBD products. It owns and operates consumer hemp-based um, CBD MD and Paul CBD. All right, so let's look at this one. Yeah, this has moved before. This was way back in 2018. You had a bounce September, October. Oh, I'm tired. Sorry. Didn't sleep good last night. So this one all the way up to 8 plus, came back, 3, got to 650, and look at this, back and forth, back and forth. This really dropped off. And look at this little like waterfall to a V right here. This was your ultimate low. And this was at 50 cents, and then we bounced all the way to $4. That's why in some of these you can sit on them, and in a few months, yeah, this is like almost 3 plus times your money. If we came back down, look at this low line right here. The low keeps getting higher on each point here. 2, 3, 4, every low got bought up. Yeah, so this goes to 650 plus, pulls back hard now. It's holding this 425. Is this going to drop to 4? It looks like it's holding right now. It could drop, maybe make one more drop to 4, and then we come up and bounce to 650 again. That could be a possible move. You have another line here. If you draw this way, this is getting really tight. This could squeeze up. So YCBD has been on a tremendous run, and we'll see if this can continue on this. So it's a good uptrend. IFMX. Let's take a look. IFMK. The wrong symbol here. All right, this is a 3.78 million float, 56 million market cap, 24% insider zone. No news in this at all. Operates network of grocery supermarket chains in the northeastern United States. All right, so this was as high as 28 at one point, 2018. It crashed down pretty hard. Found support at this 220 level. It's just 220 right here. This is, 225. See this line that came back. Look at that, right to the point right there. This came to 224. Then you had a nice gap down. And look at it, found support just below 50 cents. We bounced again to 225. Then we hovered as low as 68 cents. And then this came up at 150. Look at this nice little U shape right here. I love that on these 1320 EMAs. Look at this. Held right here, then up we go. This really took off to a high of 425. Then it came down. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Found support. 13 EMA and it held. Now we're going up. Now, is this going to be the ultimate hold here? Or is this another leg down? It's hard to say. That's a good move, though. So if this works, you back above 225. Now you're looking at 250 to 325 easy on this. You can see the low, another low, low here. It still could come even back to 125, 150. So all these lows, as long as these lows keep getting higher here, another one here, see another one would be here. You can come back to 125. I don't think it's getting that low. So this is looking promising too. Very low float. This could really take off. All right, so that's it on these 4. Please subscribe to Mike Game and Trade. Smash the like button. Instagram, Mike Frank98. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Stock Twits, Mike Game and Trades. Leave any comments on YouTube. Smash the like button and subscribe. That is it. Peace.